Hi everyone. So in this video we will learn how to download and install Claude Code on your Windows operating system. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com and here I need to search for Claude Code. Let's do it. Now here, just scroll a bit and here you will find a link from claude.com. Simply click on it. On this page you will find a button, download for Windows. Simply click on it. Let's save the file. So you can see the download is done. Let's click on it. Once the installation is done, you will get this sort of a layout. Simply click on accept. Click on get started. Now here you need to enter your email and click on continue with email. If you are using Gmail, simply click here. Let me do so. I already got an email registered with Claude Code. I'll skip this part in the video. So when you try to log in on the Claude Code app, they will ask you to check your email, and in the email you will get a magic link to click on it. So I have clicked on it and I'm getting this sort of a layout. Now here I simply need to click on open Claude. So as you can see, finally I'm logged in and now I can use Claude Code. So I hope you understood how to download and install Claude Code on your Windows operating system. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.